So you guys, famous Limpopo content creator Lil Pudding, who is originally from a small village called Gamashishane, has been defending Limpopo Boy left, right, and center on her social media platforms rather. Now she said to anyone making noise right now, let's be real, Limpopo Boy is a human being first of all, an artist second. We all have moments of privacy, excitement, and human error. The only difference is that public figures live under a microscope. He didn't commit a crime. He just lived his life to the sponsors and the industry. Don't let temporary internet noise blind you to his talent and hard work. To Limpopo Boy, keep your head up, stay true to yourself, and don't let this break your spirit. This too shall pass. People love to talk and act like they live in a glass house, but let's keep it 100. The man is human. He was having his moment, and his body was his business. And then yesterday rather, she went on to post a 2-minute video defending Limpopo Boy, you guys. And now 3 days ago, Lil Pudding's boyfriend or husband, Mr. Makwela, shared a screenshot conversation between him and Limpopo Boy, and he is insinuating basically that Limpopo Boy is having it off with Lil Pudding, you guys. Now we do know Lil Pudding is very much famous for her love video. You know, she'd walk into like a car wash, pick up a random guy and go and have it off with them. Now people on social media are saying that is probably the reason why Lil Pudding is defending Limpopo Boy, you guys. In the screenshot conversation, he said, you know, Lil Pudding as already called Shaka Onalewena, meaning Lil Pudding is not picking up my calls. She is with you. And then Limpopo Boy went on to insult Makwela, you guys, which he later went on to apologize. And then he said, Maramuja atware di phone ke bolelele yena. He said, sorry, but please tell her to pick up her phone so that I can talk, I can speak with her, meaning that he was 100% sure that Lil Pudding was with Limpopo Boy, you guys. What do you think about this whole situation? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video and do make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I upload a new video.
Mama lifing yaka zanga ka dumella motho a wisa moya waka. Mo lifing yaka azanga ka dumella motho a tla a tlo go mpressa down a win, never. Mo lifing yaka azanga ka dira ke motho moya in my life. A ke tsamae ka rulu eo. Le busy. Hey, o nyoba motho wa motho jwang a tseba motho gore she's a married woman. Joe, if you don't respect your marriage, ke mang motho tlamela respect lenyalo la hao. If wena self ha o khone go nagana, ha o khone go kopantsha 1 + 1 gore 1 2 1 2 1 2. Ai. Na. O ka se mo nna wa tlo blamela gore ke nyobisitse a married man. Oh, ke nyobile ke a married man. O mang? La banyoba le lena batho ba batho day and night. Ebile le re ba monate batho ba batho ya no ha ba sa le monate ke lona le re ha ona motho wa motho ya no today ijikile fondag he itlolo dlala if wena sa ke respect or o sa respect lenyalo la hao rena na re ka swelle re le tshaba re respect lenyalo la hao re a tseba bashimane ba nyaka marao bashimane ba nyako nyoba ke ntho ba inyakang ene bile motho a tla mo wena le lena le a tseba o tla fela ka ntho a re ko ja marao ha nya go tseba re o nyetswe re wa nyalo re tlo nyalo re ile wa nyalo re khoetsa galang ka wena ke platform yaka yes ke department tsaka ke a ibuella yeah it's my daily bread like you said so what ha o sa tlhomphi dilo tsa hao a gona motho a tlo di tlhompha tloelang go shupa batho ka menwana hao ke department ya ka so gona ntho re ka etsa ke nna sharp and home le mo risk ka life ya hae ne le